Experience seamless connectivity with the Dell 14-7420 laptop. Combine the creative power of your devices with Dell Palette. Enjoy the ultimate color accuracy on a 14-inch display. With the Intel processor and powerful graphics, it can handle what you throw at it. Look and sound your best on video calls with a 1080p 30fps HD camera with auto-frame AI noise reduction. It's a snazzy, ultra-portable laptop that's operating system is Windows 11 Home, English. This model dimensions and weight is: height, 0.62 inches, width, 12.36 inches, depth, 8.96 inches, and weighs almost 3.61 pounds. It's super easy to carry around, and it's got most of the features that IT departments and business executives and users really need. This model processor is 12th General Intel Core i7-1255U. It's up to 4.70 GHz with Intel Turbo Boost technology, 12 MB L3 cache, 10 cores, and 12 threads, and dedicated Intel Iris-C graphics. Let's start with the webcam. It's absolute best image quality that you'll get from a webcam, 1080p at 30fps, full HD camera, and is great for peace of mind when you're on video calls all day long. This model display is 14 inches, full HD+, plus 1920 by 1200, 60 Hz, touch, WVA, TrueLife, narrow border, pen support, micro edge, low blue light display. The keyboard and the touchpad on the 7420 series are also improved, compared to the previous generation. I think the typing is very comfortable, the clicking on the pad is very satisfying, and it makes a thud sound when you click. Which costs around about starting at $1,050. It is 512GB M.2 seamed SSD and 16GB, 2x8GB, DDR5, 4800 MHz, and dual-channel RAM slots. This laptop Intel Wi-Fi 6E, 6 GHz, AX211 2x2 Bluetooth 5.2 wireless card. This laptop's right side has one SD card reader, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A and audio jack. And the left side has a HDMI 1.4. This maximum resolution supported over HDMI is 1920 by 1080 at 60 Hz, two USB 3.2 Gen Type C with power delivery and video. Overall, the Dell Inspiron 14 2-in-1 series is a great laptop for IT departments that have lots of security and manageability concerns. And it's very comfortable and easy to use for business executives or users as well. One of the best parts about the Dell Inspiron 14 7420 is 4-cell, 54 watt-hours battery and very long battery life. With 65 watts Type-C APEAT adapter, I tested this machine at more than 8 hours of battery life, playing a video non-stop before the battery died. That's plenty long enough for a full day of work. Thank you.